YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to get Google Drive API key. So guys, if you want to get the Google Drive API key, so guys, basically there is a no direct key that you can access your API key of your like in particular Google Drive key. So there is a common key which is available on your Google Cloud where you create your project and you just take this ID, your API ID. By this API, sorry API key, not the ID. By this API key, you can use Google most of the application like your Google, like your Google Drive, your Google, like your Google Sheets. Lot of things you can do with this API. But how you get it? First of all, open your Chrome browser and simply guys search for the Google Cloud. Okay, so you go and search Google Cloud and hit enter. After that, simply go here, Google Cloud and Computing Service, and get started to free. Okay, so now it is also available free, and if you are perform any high level things, so guys you also do it with uh, some hard tasks. Now it asks you to logged in, so you logged in, click the option of next. So it asks you some detail, so enter your manager code. So you just go to your authenticator here, enter your U code. But if I log in with, sorry, I'm on an incognito mode, so that's why it asks me the lot of things. So I'm it open it again. As simple, go here and search Google Cloud and then hit enter. Then guys go for the Google Cloud. Okay, and you log in with your email ID. So just a second. Now guys, here you see that I am logged in and my console is open. Okay, when your console is open, it asks you to choose your country, so you just choose and you get around 300 credit free credits, so it spans over next 90 days. Okay, so you here you choose your payment method, so you choose it free. Okay, then continue and then go and verify. After that guys, here you see that your console is open. Now here you see create a Gemini API key, create an agent, create an. So you just leave it, just go here and guys go for the option of API and services. Okay, so enable API and services. So go here and here you just wait a second and you go for the options of enable API and services. Click here. So here it asks you to the API and services. So here you search Drive. When you search it, so guys here you see this is your Google Drive API. So you just click here, you can create and manage. So just go here and enable it. Okay, create and manage resources in your Google Drive. When your Drive API is ready, okay, now it give you and now you simply go back and guys here it shows all of these things. Okay, now you go back here, you go for create credentials. Wait a second, here is your credentials. Okay, so now here you create your credentials. So here it shows your show key. Here you can check this is the show key. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.